How do you engineer an experience? When you strip away everything weighing you down, holding you back, you begin to float away, weightless, hovering. This is the hoverboard, the essence of pure motion captured, refined, and reinvented. The hoverboard translates your will into motion. A single point of contact with the ground minimizes friction and frees your movement from a linear path. Inside, precision sensors and electronics smooth and stabilize your ride, gently accelerating in whichever direction you lean. The controls are intuitive. Gently apply pressure to one end of the board to accelerate. Lean gently to one side or the other to turn in that direction. When you stop, you can set the board down on its side to dismount. The electric motor powers a top speed of 20 miles per hour, perfectly balancing safety with efficiency at every turn.
In my first company, I had to figure out some way to pack all of the control electronics and the drive electronics into the motor itself. I succeeded in doing that, and we called the product the Smart Motor. That really poised me perfectly for making the ultimate personal electric vehicle.
The hoverboard moves you, but it's also a part of you, with endless personalization options to make your hoverboard a perfect fit for you. Built-in speakers pair with your smartphone, giving you the perfect soundtrack for your daily commute or weekend joyride. Onboard lighting gives you visibility at night, letting you ride a cloud of light to your destination. The hoverboard is perfectly balanced in both form and function. It's fully electronic, whisper quiet, and amazingly efficient. The high-capacity battery takes you 15 to 20 miles on a single charge. And the best part? It's not just an idea. We are riding the experience today.
The thing that sets the hoverboard apart is that it really does take skill to operate. It's an earned experience. You have to get in touch with the nuances of the hoverboard, and once you do, the reward is a gliding, kind of willful experience that carries you where you want to go.
The hoverboard is the ultimate form in a new class of electronic transportation, connecting us to our world in a way we've never experienced before.
Hello, I'm MakerArm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow MakerArms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys. Paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see maker arms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere.
VitaStick is a nutrient status tracker. It's an innovative gadget that checks your vitamin and mineral levels using a smartphone. Based on the readings, VitaStick provides personalized nutrition advice. You can easily keep track of your progress as the app saves the previous readings. VitaStick 2 is wireless and made of titanium. With a lighter, more durable body and a rechargeable battery, it offers even more quality. It's easier to use and more precise. Thanks to Bluetooth, VitaStick 2 has a better compatibility with smartphones and tablets. VitaStick uses a method called electroacupuncture that has been applied for decades to track imbalances in the human body through the electrical conductivity measured at the specific acupuncture points. Our first campaign far exceeded its original Indiegogo funding goal and delivered perks to all of the backers on time. We also got acknowledgments from many professionals and from our users.
The buzz clip uses ultrasound to detect obstacles that may lie directly in one's path. It then notifies the user of these obstacles through intuitive vibrations, allowing the user to safely navigate around any objects that they may encounter. The buzz clip offers essential head-level obstacle detection and can be easily attached to many forms of clothing, making it a highly versatile and useful device. The buzz clip is chargeable via micro USB and can last up to 10 hours on a single charge. It has two range options, an indoor mode that has a range of 1 meter and an outdoor mode that has a range of 2 meters. Users can toggle between the two ranges using a simple slide switch that is indicated with tactile markings on the sensor arm. You can also use more than one buzz clip at a time, allowing for greater coverage. For example, your front and sides. All aspects of our product, from its design to its functionality, have been created with our customers in mind.
Well, I'm Ryland Vroom. I'm 6 feet 5 inches tall, and I absolutely love the buzz clip because the cane does not cover head objects. So the buzz clip has actually saved my head a lot of pounding.
Hi, my name is Jill McSween. I absolutely recommend this, and it's so easy and practical, something that you can put on and can just go about your day.
couldn't see any reason why people would not want to give this a try. This is a groundbreaking, evolutionary product that's not only going to change the lives of people, but it's going to change the way people think and how people really understand orientational ability from today's day and age and onwards.
I think it'll definitely benefit a lot of people. Can't wait till the final unit comes out. It's going to be awesome.
Our goal is to make a long-lasting impact to communities living with blindness or vision loss all across the world. Thus, we also offer our contributors the option to donate buzz clips to blind youth in developing countries. With your support, we can accomplish our goal and improve the confidence, the independence, and the overall quality of life for those living with vision loss.
Screens fits massive amounts of technology into a tiny box and allows you to interact with all your content sources on a single screen. With Screens, you can have multiple HD video streams and game consoles and cable feeds and internet simultaneously with absolutely zero lag. You can customize your layout, change active feeds, and interact with any element. When you're screening and you want a certain source bigger, make it bigger. Want it smaller? Go ahead. Add a Twitter stream? It's right there. Want game stats? Get that from the App Engine right here. Simplify and amp up your rig. With Screens, gamers get to play the game and read up on the game and stream what they're doing on Twitch on the same monitor. For streamers, unleash powerful management and creative display abilities for your channel like never before. And engage your community with custom and personalized content. Switch the layout for sports fans who can watch multiple games and keep up with their fantasy roster and trash talk on Twitter without missing a play. Watch the Oscars while browsing Pinterest and keep up with celebrity gossip. It's everything you're already doing, but on one interface.
Shaving as we know it is far from perfect. It causes razor burn, ingrown hair, cuts, bleeding, and even infection.
And if you have sensitive skin or a skin condition, it's even more difficult.
The US alone throws out 2 billion razors a year. Most can't be recycled because they pose a health risk, so they end up in garbage dumps. There must be a better way.
Can we create a razor that does not cause irritation?
A razor that shaves smooth and clean.
A razor that helps reduce waste.
This is why we created the Scarp Razor. Whilst working on lasers for cosmetic and medical purposes, I wondered, could I put this technology to better use? I wanted something that would benefit every single one of us. Shaving was the obvious answer.
The industry has been looking for a laser shaver for home use, but discovering a viable technology has eluded everyone until now. Wavelengths of light have been discovered that cut through dark hair, but not light or grey hair.
We wanted a laser that could cut all hair. Many prototypes were built, and after years of experimentation, we had found exactly what we were looking for.
We identified molecules in the hair that absorb a particular wavelength. These are called chromophores. These chromophores are the only continuous structure in the hair. They're shared by every human regardless of age, gender, or race.
The Scarp Razor is for everyone to use, and it works great on any area. This is how it works. A traditional razor cuts the hair shaft at an angle. This is what causes your skin to feel rough. When the Scarp Razor makes contact, the laser melts through the hair shaft completely level to the surface of the skin. This leaves a smoother, softer finish that lasts longer to the touch. We really need your support to put the Scarp Razor into production. We have preliminary agreements with manufacturers, but we require capital to begin orders. We've spent many years developing this razor because we believe after 5,000 years of using the same technology, it's time to make shaving easier, safer, and greener. Help us bring shaving into the 21st century.